I can't believe it's not butter. How about top ramen? I can't believe it broke. Poison in a new. Hey, I told you I was booster seats for kids. I'm not a kid, 'cause look what happens when I am. Dude, I'm not a kid. These aren't for me. See, they stick.
What are you doing?
I'll pick this crap up. I'm a respectable little guy. You're not. You freaking get yogurt over a trash can.
Ooh. At least my house isn't a trash can.
Or the house isn't a trash can either. Suck a dick.
Oh.
It hit you in the ass. Oh God! It's acid rain!
Okay. I landed it, but there's a crack. Ow.
Is that in a butt crack?
My hip.
Zach's in the video. Look at this bird crap.
Oh.
Look at this bird crap. What's there?
You're touching it?
I'm just getting this paint.
Watch out. Oh.
Look at it's a deep fry pan.
You don't care.
This must be a restaurant.
You don't care.
Have you seen the McDonald's on 12th Street? It's all like brand new and cooler.
Wow, I don't really care.
You want teabagging?
You pay attention to McDonald's because that's where you're planning on to work.
No.
Okay?
I can see Isaac get 5 days freaking working at Burger King spitting on onion rings.
Okay, we good?
I don't know why I'm falling.
I do. You're going right into asphalt.
This is the worst landing possible.
Is you even recording?
Dude, I'm bleeding.
Are you really? Let me see, I want to see.
My hand. Smacking my back.
Noob. Hey look, the ambulance are already coming. They must be planning on you breaking your neck.
Awesome.